Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90 and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch our device comes. So let us first open the box here. This first thing that we can set out, this is the protective silicone case, the clear one. Also have here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs. And here in this paper box we also have the just SIM jack tool, and inside of this paper box we can see also the quick start guide, and also have here just the warranty card and the safety card here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.